over here we have an l405. This is the 2018 model, and on this car we have an issue where the pump is unable to raise enough pressure to sufficient for the car. And if you can observe over here, we have a unit called the expansion chamber. And usually what happens, these things break. This over here, we have this thing is broken, and whenever this thing breaks, the pump is unable to supply enough air to supply to the system, because you can see this thing is broken and it's leaking. You see it's unable to. So when that happens, the only solution now is to replace this thing, because it's sold separately. So because the car will give you a fault that the system is unable to build pressure, the pump is unable to build the correct pressure, but this is actually what's happening. This thing breaks, starts leaking, and the system is unable to provide enough air to supply the whole car. So whenever that happens, we replace the expansion chamber. So we've got a new one. It's got rivets, because this pump is enclosed in these metallic housings. So with this replaced, maybe we heat it up with an update as well, and the fault should be gone. Also on the car, we'll have faults related to the, you see, only normal height available. And because the reason that fault is coming is that the air suspension module is detecting that the pump is unable to build enough pressure. But what we've actually seen, that is what happens. So the expansion chamber breaks, and whenever that breaks, the pump can't supply enough air. So you might think the pump is faulty and go ahead and replace the pump, but actually I've shown you what's wrong, because it's the expansion chamber. So this one, you replace this one and you're good to go.